If you need a quick crochet project that you can gift or sell, this is one of my favorites. Here is a fun and quick St. Patrick's Day crochet project that you can turn into a cute gift or even sell. I designed these crocheted shamrocks along with printable Lucky Charm cards to go with them. If you'd like to learn how to crochet the shamrock, you can find the full video tutorial linked in the description below. And if you like the printable Lucky Charm cards, those are available in my Etsy shop along with the pattern. I'll make sure to link everything for you in the description. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach the shamrock to the Lucky Charm cards. Here's what the cards look like. I have 5 different designs. I printed mine on cardstock paper because it's nice and sturdy, which works really well for this project. I'm going to go ahead and cut these out. Now to put everything together, you'll need the printable cards, your crocheted shamrocks, and some glue dots. I like using glue dots because they're strong enough to hold the shamrock in place, but you can still remove them from the cardstock without tearing or damaging the card. I really hope you love these shamrocks and Lucky Charm cards. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so that more people can find this video, and I'll see you on the next one.